Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how you can swap USDT to BNB in Trust Wallet. So what we're gonna do is first check if you have the BNB and USDT tokens here as necessary, and go here and add tokens. If you don't see them, you can just search BNB and make sure that it is enabled, same as USDT right here. Make sure that you have this enabled right here, especially the TRC20, and after you have done that, then we are good to go. And if you think that after this step we want to go here and swap, we can't actually do it in Trust Wallet. For some reason you cannot swap USDT to BNB directly here in Trust Wallet, but we have a solution for that, which is simply here in the browser. What we want to do is go into Pancake, swap that finance right here, and we're going to go to that, and we're just going to wait for it to load. And in here, let's just wait for it, because Pancake Swap is a platform that we could use to swap our money. And here, as you can see, I don't have the connect button right here, but if it's your first time to go here using the Trust Wallet, then you would have a connect button right here, and you want to click on that, and you want to click you want to tap and connect your Trust Wallet into Pancake Swap right here. But I don't have that anymore because I have already connected. So what you can do after that is go here on the bottom, scroll a little bit until you see trade now, and you want to tap on it right there. Tap on it, and let's just wait for it to load. And right here we can now swap from USDT right here into BNB. You just need to search USDT, or you could just use this one right there. There's Tether USD right there, and instead of cake we're gonna go for BNB as we want right there. You could also import this if you don't have one, and as you can see right there, in my case I don't have one, so I can actually import it if I want to. And let's just search for another BNB, and as you can see it's here. It can now convert it into BNB. So if you want another token aside from BNB, then you could do it as well. It's the same process. So now we can just enter the amount right here, let's say 5, and you can see here the conversions. This is what you will get when you swap USDT for BNB. And as you can see, I don't have a sufficient balance in USDT because I don't have anything in this account. So you might, if you have one, then you can just click here or tap here so that you could convert it, and it would automatically show up here in wallet right here, or it may take some time for it to be delivered or show up right here, but you can monitor it right here. So that is basically it, how to swap USDT to BNB in Trust Wallet.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.